Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Yes, and see, today I will not listen to any excuse, okay? Thumbs up with smile. Because today is the most special day of Mother's Day. And today you are going to complete your artwork, okay? And you will be gifting it to your mom with a lovely, lovely extra gift. What is going to be that extra gift? Do you really want to give something very special to your mom? How many of you? Show your thumbs up. You know, I have a great idea and which I'm going to share with you all in my story. Okay. And you can gift this thing to your mom, and believe me, your mom will be more than happy. And this is going to be the most valuable and precious gift for her. Okay. So without delay, let's get started. Okay. To come back to work. Last class, we all learn how to draw this drawing. And upwards, we learn how to draw this branch and this mom. And in this artwork, we just picked up the scene when electricity is not inside house, cut off of electricity. So mama just brought this child out so that the peaceful sleep should not get disturbed. This much pain every time mom is taking. So let's remember this beautiful moment. And in our today's story also, this is the part of our story. Okay. So see, students, last class we learned how to draw. Okay. Secondly, we gave outlines with black sketch. Now third step. Okay. Our third step is erasing extra lines. Okay. Navika, you won't be able to see me. You won't be able to see my face. You will be able to see my hands only. Okay. Yes, I'm not visible. Only my hands you can see and my work you can see. Okay. So don't try to see otherwise, or don't get confused that I'm not able to see, ma'am. You will be able to see how I'm doing. Okay. So after making drawing, we gave outlines. Outline is the second step, and third step is erasing. Take eraser and erase carefully. Okay, while erasing also, you are supposed to be very much careful. What we are erasing? We are erasing extra unwanted lines of pencil. Okay, if you find some extra lines while giving outlines, like I find some lines here on hairline also, I will erase and make my drawing clean. Okay. Yes, this ways it will be done. Dust, you just remove out, okay? Make it clean. Now see, it's absolutely clean. So this erasing is third step. First, we draw with pencil. Second, we give outlines. Third, we erase extra lines and make our drawing clean. Okay. Now we will start with our coloring. Okay. So let's start, pick up our two colors from our color palette. I will take pink. Okay. Take pink color and skin color. Take these two colors, pink and skin color. All of you, can others hear me? Am I audible to others? So Aradhya, you please check beta or click on active speaker view. If you're not able to hear me, so check your internet also. Avika, you click on active speaker view. Okay, then you will be able to see. Okay. Now I took pink and skin color. This is light orange, looking like skin. Okay, we are going to use it as skin color. And today's drawing is having a great story. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Pink. Yes. Two pink circles. Very gently, you will be making two pink circles near lips of mom, and they are very light, not very dark. Okay. And you can make small for baby also, cute baby. Okay. Make two pink circles directly with Tanish, you please check better your internet. Otherwise, you can do one thing, you leave class and rejoin, because rest all can hear me clearly. Okay, or check your internet better. So I applied pink here, pink around babies. I will be giving a close-up view. Okay, more bigger view will help you. Avika, you can do one thing. You click on active speaker view. Avika, click on active speaker view. So you will be able to see me. Hi, see Raghav, if you want to show angel and want to show your mom in cloud, so yes, you can color it with blue. Okay, you can show it as like clouds also. These bushes you can show like clouds also. Okay, so it's your choice. If you want to show that mama is on cloud and you just visualize her like angel, so you can show clouds also all around. Okay, so this was all about our. After this, now skin color. Okay, the very first thing, students, your color should not be very blunt. Many times students, they keep using very blunt color. So keep one thing in mind. See, I will be showing this is blunt color. See, this is blunt. And it's very blunt. Your color should be this much sharp. Okay. So first of all, if your color is very blunt, sharp it. Secondly, hold your color like a pencil. As you hold your pencil now, same ways you hold pencil. If you don't have skin color banaya, you can use light orange color. If you don't have skin color, use orange, very light. Please give confirmation. Can you see my video? Show your thumbs up. And can you listen me properly? Am I audible? Okay. So see, those who are not able to listen or those who are not able to see my video, you can do one thing. You leave class and rejoin. Okay? Leave class and rejoin. I think it will solve your problem. Okay. And you will find the video, this complete class on my YouTube channel. Okay. Within 2 or 3 hours, we will upload the complete video. Okay. Last video and this video also on my YouTube channel. I will be giving you the names also in the end of the class. Okay. So hold your color like a pencil. Now, a big mistake students do. They always start their coloring from center, which is a wrong technique. You will not never start your coloring from center. Always start your coloring from a corner. It can be this corner, it can be this corner, it can be this corner, or it can be this corner. You will not start your coloring from a center. So I will start from here. Sleeping lines, okay? I will go for small sleeping line. And the second thing, students go for big strokes. This is a wrong technique. Always go for small strokes and don't put pressure on your colors. Hai na? This is again a mistake students do. They put lots of pressure on their colors and it make their work coloring untidy. Go for small strokes, no pressure, and repeat every stroke 4 times. See, I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. Every stroke 4 times. Small strokes, one direction, small strokes, one direction. Okay? This way is small strokes, one direction. Okay? You can complete. Sleeping line. See, I'm not changing. Students, what they do, when they find limited space, they change direction. Here, limited space, they change direction. No, you will not do this. You will keep moving in sleeping lines. You can see I'm repeating every stroke very gently 4 times. Each of my stroke I'm repeating 4 times. Okay? And this way is keeping my direction in sleeping. Everywhere I started from the corner. Vihan, we started coloring just now. We put pink and afterwards, Abhika, is your problem solved? Huh? Are you able to listen now and see the video? Tanva, you start coloring beta. We are doing skin color after making 2 pink circles around mom's face and baby's face. Okay? So this way, small sleeping lines. See, if you have wax, see, we prefer plastic crayons. But if you don't have plastic crayons, and then in that case, you can use wax crayons. Okay? So, see, I will complete my coloring. Yes, I will be telling the story. Okay? So, this is a story of a child of 9 years old. Okay? And the name of that child was yes, this ways you will be completing this. Okay? Face. I started from here. Never start your coloring from here. When you start your coloring from corner, now you don't need to change direction. And when you move your color in one direction without pressurizing your color, and don't put pressure. When you put pressure, dirty lines appear. Okay? Pink color is just 2 circles. Here, as I showed here also for baby. Okay? Okay, now boys team. I will ask question to boys team. Boys team, are you ready? Boys teams. Boys, are you ready for question? I will ask a question now. Show thumbs up. Many students are not showing thumbs up. Okay. Then girls, I will ask you too. Okay. This question is for 10 marks. I want to do colors in boys' face. Shall I start from center? Yes or no? If no, show thumbs down. And if yes, show thumbs up. Shall I start my coloring from center? Shall I start my coloring from a corner? Correct answer. Very good. Girls, now are you ready? I will ask question to you. Ready? Shall I go for big strokes? I want to move my color big and with lots of pressure. Correct answer. Shall I go for small strokes, one direction and very gently? Correct. Very good. Boys and girls, you both scored full 10 marks. Small strokes, hit from a corner, no pressure. Repeat every stroke 4 times. And now I will complete this cute, sweet baby. And the name of this baby is Nilay. Okay, we can keep a simple name. Niku. Okay, let's keep the name Niku. Okay. So Niku is the name of this baby. And this baby is right now 9 years old. Okay, 9 years old. And Mama always used to take care, as all moms do, you know. Ki beta, wake up early morning. Chalo, now the time of classes, do your homework, eat your food. What shall I make for you for breakfast? You know? But Niku was sometimes very rude and used to shout also on mom. Okay, although Niku loved mom a lot, but sometimes Niku was very rude towards mom while speaking. When mama used to say, now don't spend much time on mobiles. What, mama, you always say this. Let me do this. When mama was asking, beta, please wake up. This is time for your online classes. Mama, every time you disturb me, let me sleep. This way, sometimes Niku was loud and disrespectful to mom. Okay. And Niku never realized that this is not the correct behavior. Okay. Yes. So show me over Mama's face and Niku's face. Done? Wow. Lovely. Okay. See, when we start our coloring from one direction, you can see how neatly we are able to do, right? Very good. Now see for baby, let's complete hands also. Okay. Hands are also left. Let's do skin color in hands of mom also, because this is also skin color. Okay. Do it carefully with small strokes, one direction, and finish hands. Okay. So Niku loved mom a lot. But Niku was sometimes loud, sometimes disrespectful, sometimes talking very rudely to mom, but with a smile. Mama used to ignore this. Okay. So next few days after, there was Mother Day. So Niku was preparing a card every Mother's Day, gifting a card and some gift to mom to show love. But because actually Niku was having lots of love for mama. We all have actually. We all love our mom a lot. No, for senior batch, the drawing is different. Okay. For senior batch, drawing is this. In senior batch, we learn this drawing. Okay. Let's complete. So drawing of senior and junior batch, they are different. Okay. So now after this, after completing this phase, let's start with the hair. For making hair, I will be using two colors in my color palette. I will be using brown. I will be using black. Okay. Because mom's hair, I will be making brownish black. And baby's hair, I will be showing golden. Okay. Very golden. Soft hair. Okay. I have given a full close-up view so that you can see the coloring properly. Okay. So that you can see coloring properly. Yes, you can take any brown. You can take coffee brown. You can take normal brown. Both brown you can take. Okay. Any. And ear I have colored. Okay. This ear is also colored. This is not ear. This is a fold of hair. This is not ear. Okay. So now I will take my brown color. All of you take your brown color. Now first, now see, we will try a very different technique for making hair. We will be mixing these two colors and you will see the magic of mixing of two colors for showing hair. So first take your brown color. Golden, if you don't have, don't take it now. Vaishnavi, first start with brown, okay? How to start? You will start from here. Come on, start from this corner and complete this hairline. Okay, complete. One direction. This ways, you will just keep moving as you can see I'm doing, okay? Yes, see, senior batch, we learn this drawing. Okay, this is the artwork of senior batch. Okay, and this is junior batch work. Although after coloring, this will also look great. You will see this magic after coloring. Okay. Okay, pre-junior batch. Okay, I will be showing you the drawings of pre-junior batch also. We learn this artwork in pre-junior batch. Okay, this was our artwork. In pre-junior batch, we learned this artwork. Okay, so these are all artworks of different age group. And let's complete our artwork now. Now I will be doing brown. Start doing small strokes, one direction. I will be completing this part of hair and see, this is not ear. This is hair only, just a fold of hair, okay? A curve in hair we showed at the back side, okay? Now I will be completing the second part of hair using the same strokes. No, beta, now all of you focus on your work, okay? Now I will complete the story. So Niku was sometimes very rude and Niku was having no realization that he is so rude for mom, okay? and was getting irritated when mama was asking that wake up, beta, sleep on time, eat this food. So Niku was thinking that mama always stop me doing things I want to do. And without realizing that mama is a well-wisher and mama is always thinking for good of child. You know? So then what happened? Niku was thinking that what can be given to mama on the very special day of Mother's Day. Acha, when Niku was talking rudely, Niku's grandmama, okay, grandma, that is Amma, okay, Niku was calling grandma Amma. She was observing and she used to stop Niku. Niku, this is not way of talking to your mom. Okay, she is working hard for you and how rude you are. You should not behave this ways. Okay. So what happened then? Mother's Day was about to come. This is coffee brown. Okay, you can use any brown. This is coffee brown color. You can use normal brown also. Okay. See, those who join late, they can do one thing. They can skip color of face. They can do afterwards. Start with hair. Okay. So I will be completing and you will step down slowly and finish here. See, I'm not changing direction anywhere. No? Yes, you can use light brown also. You can use light brown color also, okay? So this ways you will be moving your color in one direction and so this ways you will continuously moving downwards with brown, okay? Now we are going to do little craft in our work, okay? We are going to do. So we are supposed to be little quick so that we can focus a lot on our craft, okay? Come on, let's get started. And brown color in this complete hairstyle. Small strokes, one direction, small strokes, one direction. Those who have completed full, they will wait, okay? Because I always maintain a minimum average speed so that all can do it. So when Niku was thinking of what to gift in gift for on Mother's Day, so Papa was sitting and Papa was finding out some CDs, okay? So Niku said, Mom, Papa, what these CDs are of? So Niku said, your sweet memories are there. You know what? Your mama's Lori is also recorded in this CD. Then Niku said, okay, I want to listen. Please show me, Mama. Show me, Papa. The Papa just played, okay? And in that video, Niku was very young, just few months old, okay? 5 to 6 months old. And as that time, no inverter was there at house. So when there was electricity cut off because of lots of hot weather and warm inside, Niku was crying badly and this everything was recorded, okay? And that time, Mama just picked up and went out and started singing a lori outside. And Mama was also not knowing that Papa is doing recording of all this, okay? So Mama very quietly patting outside. She kept walking outside so that the pleasant sleep of Niku should not get disturbed. She was singing continuously, okay? And Niku was crying badly and with lots of love. Mama was just trying to make Niku quiet and went out and start singing Lori. And after listening to that Lori, Niku slept. And these all things Mama was also not knowing was recorded by Papa. And that sweet Lori, okay? A wonderful Lori Mama was singing. So when Niku was looking at this recording, this lovely recording, Niku realized that when Niku was so young, few months old, Niku was just 4 to 5 months old in this recording. So Niku realized and Niku asked, Papa, I was so young, I was so small few days back. So Papa said, yes, this is you only. So Papa, Niku asked, Papa, this time so I was not able to do anything. I was always, so who was doing my all work? So Papa replied, your mom was taking your care. Okay, everything, you were not able to do any work. Your every work was looking after, was taken care by your mom. And you know what happened that time? Niku realized after looking that video that when I was so young, I was helpless. I was not able to do any work. Okay. See this ways, I have done brown. I just want to check the work. Show your brown, all of you. Brown color. Yes, wonderful. Now start moving black over it. Okay. Very good. Now I will start moving black. Black. Same ways. I will move black. Okay, same ways. Now what will happen? You will find a lovely mixing of brown and black, and it will give you a wonderful texture of hair. Small strokes, one direction, and you will continue, and same ways as we did brown now, same ways you will be doing your brown. And you will find a real look of hair. Black and brown mixing, it just gives a mature look to your work. Okay. So let's come back to story. No, golden shade we will not give here. Golden we will put in baby's hair. Okay. Baby's hair. So see this ways, I will be overlapping this complete brown with black. Okay. Yes. Small strokes, one direction. And this mixing of black and brown will make my mom's hair very, very beautiful. Lovely. Keep doing. Come on. Keep doing. See, those who missed last class of drawing, you just visit my YouTube channel, okay? Those who missed last class when we learn how to draw, they can see, go to my YouTube channel, and there the videos are uploaded. Even today's video of coloring, we will upload within 3 to 4 hours, okay? So you can go to my YouTube channel, and if you miss anything and if you want to revise, you can see there, okay? So see, I just completed black over brown, and you can see how nice mom's hair are looking. Let's come back to story. So after looking at that video, Niku really realized, I'm so loud, I'm so disrespectful. But many years back, when I was so young and was not able to do anything, Mama was there to take care of my every work. And what I'm giving to her. Today, I'm very loud. I'm speaking so rudely to mom. I'm not a good son. Okay, he realized. Yes, my YouTube channel's name is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay, this is my YouTube channel's name. So the drawing and coloring, okay, you will find on our YouTube channel. Even this super senior batch. Those who want to learn this drawing, now this super senior batch drawing, those who want to learn this drawing, if they will visit my YouTube channel, so they will find the video how to draw and how to color. Okay, so they can learn from my YouTube channel how to draw and color, even senior batch drawing. You will find many more activities, and Mother's Day special cake also on my YouTube channel, chocolate cake. So if you want to make a surprise cake, you visit my YouTube channel. And that cake is without fire, cooking without fire. Okay, so chocolate cake and vanilla cake is there. So if you want to make a surprise cake, visit my YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil, and you will find a cake and many cards also. There are many cards on Mother's Day also. So now after doing this, I will take yellow ochre color. Okay, golden or yellow ochre color. Lori is a song. Okay, Mama always sing a Lori. Okay, Lori is a song, a very pleasant song, which normally all Indian moms sing so that baby can sleep. Okay, and it is a live singing. Okay, it is a live singing, a song with beautiful words which make baby sleep. See, this is yellow ochre or golden color also you can take. And I will be moving golden color, you know, on baby's hair. Start for standing line. Come on. Standing line. I will be making very soft hair. This is golden color. Okay, golden or yellow ochre color. You can take yellow also. Okay. If you don't have yellow or golden yellow color or golden color, take yellow. You can take yellow because we are going to move brown over it. Okay, we will be moving brown over it. So see, I just started from corner. I completed. And I'm going to move brown because I want to show golden hair. Golden hair of baby. So when I move golden and over that, when I will move brown, it will look like soft hair of baby. Okay. So this was about, okay. So after looking at that video, Niku realized that this is not the correct behavior of shouting and being disrespectful to mom. Okay, and after looking this video, Niku went straight to Amma, okay, grandmama, and started crying. So Amma said, "What happened, Niku? Why are you crying?" Niku said, Amma, you were correct. Every time you were stopping me. This is not the correct way of behaving to mom. Today I looked at video and I realized that Mama took lots of care of mine. And today also she is taking lots of care. And I always shout, I want to give a very good gift on this Mother's Day. So Amma said, do you really want to give a special gift? Now listen carefully, because now this is the special gift which you all can give to your mom. Okay. So Niku said, yes, I want to gift. Take sky blue color. Let's complete moon also. Okay. Start moving all around, very light. Come on. So Niku said, yes, Amma, I want to give a very special gift, which will make her very happy. So Amma said, if you really want to gift something, gift a promise. Promise? What kind of promise? Amma said, make a card and write a promise that, Mama, I will never be disrespectful to you. I will always respect you. I will never loud. I will be never loud. I will listen to you. I will obey you. Give this promise. We all know what Mama wants us to do. Mama asked us to keep our books at proper place. Mama wants us to do our homework regularly. And for small, small things, Mama want us to help her. Mama want we like brother and sisters and siblings to stay quietly and happily, not to fight. So any one promise. Mama want you to eat one fruit every day. Any one promise you can give to your mama. Okay. And you know what is that promise which is going to make your mama more than happy. Make an outline all around. And now all of you see, this is very important step. After giving this, I will move my color very light. Come on, give one more outline. Very light. Start doing, this is very light, okay? Yes. I will be giving full view because few students are messaging me to show the full view. This is our complete drawing, okay? Not completed yet. We are going to complete it. Now I will be giving one outline. And then this is sky blue color, light blue. Okay. So first I gave a dark outline. Okay. And now I'm going to give a light outline. Light, 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 light. Okay. I will be showing it very, very, very light. Okay. And so Niku decided, yeah, I will promise Mama that I will never shout and never be disrespectful. So this time, Niku prepared a lovely card which Niku learn in the classes and write the promise, okay? And when gifted to Mama, Niku just went to Mama's room, hugged Mama and said, Mama, this is a promise I'm gifting you. I'm promising you that I will never be loud and never be disrespectful, okay? Yes. So this ways, that was a very special Mother's Day. Samarth, show your work. Continue, beta. Continue. Gently, okay? And do it slowly and with patience, okay? Good. So this ways, I spread my blue, okay? And I'm going to take yellow, deep yellow. I will move deep yellow around complete figure which we are making. Okay, after showing blue, take deep yellow color. Okay, and move around this figure. Okay, move around this figure. Mom's hands. Only in moon. Okay, only in the part which is coming in moon, not outside. You will be moving it this ways. Okay. If you don't have yellow color, then you can skip this. Okay, then you don't give outlines with any other color. Otherwise, you can try very light orange also. Okay, you can try very light orange. This is that positive aura. You know, the mom have this positive protective aura. And mom's touch, science has also proved that mom's touch is a touch therapy. Mom's touch is having power which can cure all diseases. This is proved in science. Okay. So this way Samar just gifted, and after reading to that card that Mama, I'm promising I will never be loud, I will respect you, I will never be disrespectful, forgive me because I was behaving so harshly with you. Mama was having tears in eyes. Mama just hugged Nikku tight and said, this is the best gift of Mother's Day. See, this way this middle part is done. I want to check the work. Please lift up your work, all of you. Beautiful. Okay, spread your blue color almost in. Very nice. See, I just spread it till here. And now watercolor work will start. Your most awaited watercolor work. Get water in container. Okay. And I will be taking, you can take dark blue color, you can take red color, any color you can take. Okay. Because this is the scene of that video, after looking at which Samath realized that Mama was continuously walking in gardens so that I can sleep peacefully. And I never realized that so much of efforts parents are giving to take our care. And when we grow, what we do? We simply disrespect them. You know? This is not correct. Okay. So, see now for background, you can take either blue or red. Any one color you can take. Okay. So I will be taking red. You can take even pink. Pink is also like nice color. Chalo. So now let's get started. This is a red color. I am going to take red for background. Take cotton. Take cotton. Okay. Take little cotton. Open your red color. And if you feel that you want to show a moon night, you can go for dark blue color also. Okay. You can, yes, you can do. Now take cotton. All of you dip your cotton in water. Dip it. Yes. Okay. Now squeeze. Remove extra water and take red or blue. You can take red, blue, or any dark color for background. I'm going to take red. Okay. I will be taking red. And yes, I will give full view of the artwork now. Okay. So that you can see and understand. Now, after taking red on your wet cotton, you will start giving background. Okay. Take lots of red. I will start giving background. Okay. Yes. Start with sleeping lines. First, you can move your color around the very carefully. Move it around. Okay, move it around, round. And then start with standing line. Come on. Simply move your color in this way. Okay. If you feel that your cotton is exhausted, you can simply take little more color. Okay. And if you're getting this kind of stripes, then also it's okay. And if any kind of texture is appearing, then also it's okay. Take red and keep doing. Okay. Little water and little red you can take and continue doing this. Okay, we are going to make our background red. Okay. And after completing our background at simply straight lines. Okay, you can go even circular motion also. But for very younger one, it will be little difficult. If your lines are coming in bushes, let it come. Okay. Here also, I will continue. Okay. And this ways, we completed our complete background red. Okay. I will move once again. So for making it completely red. Come on. You can try blue color also. Okay. I will be making it red. If you feel that your color is light, and feather touch. While moving your color, you will not be harsh. Otherwise, what will happen? Your paper can be teared. Very softly and gently finish this red. Okay? You can take blue also. And I'm going to take green. Okay? Any green you can take. I will pick up my sap green. Sap green. Okay? Because it is a night scene. We are showing a night scene. Right? This complete part I will cover up. You can use cake colors, you can use tube colors, you can use poster colors. है ना? So sometimes I use rangila colors, I use poster colors also, I use acrylic colors also. So I just keep mixing using colors. Normally I use acrylic colors. Okay. So see, this is completely red. And my second work is going to be with green. Okay, I picked up this green color. This is sap green color. You can use any green available, any green. Show me. I just want to check the work. How it's looking. You can go for blue also. Okay, if you want to give a blue background, you can try. If you want to give any other background, you can try. Okay, we just made it red to add the color of love. And red is the color of love. Yes, blue is also looking good because this is a moon. So blue will also go accordingly. Very beautiful, lovely. Done? All of you have done? Huh? Okay, continue. Always use cotton. Cotton is a very good option for giving wash. Okay, at the place of doing it with this, cotton is always the best option. Now I will squeeze, take one more cotton, dip. Okay, remove extra water and take green. Take green. See, you will find this complete recording on my YouTube channel within few hours, okay? My creative mom, Leena Bandil. This is my YouTube channel and you will find both the classes, drawing and coloring on my YouTube channel, okay? I will take green, little more cotton. I just dip it in water. Now green color. Okay, you can take any green. I'm taking sap green color. And I'm going to do tap, tap, tap technique. This is a different technique, okay? See, tap. So when we go for tapping, what happened? We get a very good effect of bushes, okay? If you feel water is too much, you can remove extra and go for this kind of tap, tap, tap technique. Okay, come on. Take green again and finish your work. This tap technique will add a texture to your work, okay? It will add a texture and make your drawing looking bright and beautiful. You can take any green, okay? I have taken sap green. Any green you can do. If you don't have green, you can try any color. You can make your drawing colorful, okay? And don't forget, today, along with this, you're going to gift a promise, okay? This promise will make your card valuable and believe me, your mom will be more than happy. And promise, it doesn't mean you will simply promise. No, you are supposed to take care of. You're supposed to implement, fulfill that promise, okay? And I think that will be the best gift for any mom. Keep doing this. Tap, 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 tap. And no white space. Okay. No white space should be there. Don't take it far. Very close, overlapping each other. Take little more color if you feel that cotton is exhausted. You can take little big cotton for so your work will become little quick. Okay? Yes. And I will complete this complete tapping. You can take big cotton for making your work little quick. Now see, this bush is also ready, and see, it is looking like bush. You know? You can try blue also. Any color you can try. Sometimes the color scheme of kids is so creative now that we realize ki, yeah, this is looking so good after doing. So please feel free with any colors. So now see my bushes. Now see the texture. And now we are getting exactly the texture of bush. I will finish here. I will take little more color as it is almost over. So we directly take color on cotton. So what happened? Extra color is not wasted. If we take in plate and then we take in cotton, so lots of color waste. Remaining color is of no use. So it's always a better choice to take color directly in cotton. Okay, so see, this way is this complete bush part is done. Upper part is red, lower part is bush, and don't forget, this is moon night, right? Moon night. Now the work of earbud comes. Okay, finish this. And those who don't have colors, watercolors, many of you must not be having, or many of you must be finding it difficult to manage with during lockdown. So they can simply do plastic crayon, red and green. Okay, now is the time for earbud. Okay, time for earbud. Now what you can do, you can turn your file. Turn your file. Yes. Okay, turn your file this ways. And so that you can finish this branch. And you will come on black. Okay, black. Take out your black color. Okay, black watercolors. You will be learning different techniques of watercolors. Okay. And see, both for beginners and juniors, earbud is a safe option. Okay, whenever you want to fill colors, at the place of using paintbrush, use earbud. Okay, because it has a limited capacity of picking up water and color. First thing, and secondly, just like pencil, you keep and move. Okay, so chalo, let's get started. And this time, not watery. You don't need lots of water. I want thick color. Okay. If those who have marker pens, they can even do with marker pens. And if you feel that colors are very dry, in that case, you can take a touch, a drop of water, but not much. Now start making this branch black. Come on. Start doing. Okay. Start doing. Because when we were making bushes, so little, if you feel that your earbud is not moving, so you can take little water so that your earbud can move smoothly. I will be making this complete branch with black. Okay. You can use marker pen also for this. You can use brush pens also if you have. And you can simply do it with sketch pen also. Okay. So see, simply like pencil, I'm making few branches, not all branches, few branches black. And this time, I'm telling you again, your colors will be very, very thick, okay, not watery. You will not take watery color. Few branches which are very delicate, you can make with sketch pen also for showing thin branches. Okay, chalo. Now see, I just made my all branches. Those who feel that you don't want to do with this, they can simply make the stem with marker pen and sketch pen. Fill it with sketch pen. Okay, so see, this way is, it is completely done. Okay, your branch is black now. Okay. Yes. Make it properly dark black, not light. Okay. Don't know watery color. We want it very dark. Branches should be very dark. Keep doing carefully. Okay. And use earbud for this. You will find that using earbud is so simple. Take black and do. Even brush pens can be used. Okay. If you have brush pens or thick marker, you can use that. Blank. Okay. Yes. Done? Huh? Lift up your files. Anyone if completed? Show. Wow, very good. Branches are ready. Now let's make lovely flowers on our branches. And for making those beautiful flowers, I will be using yellow color. You can use white also. White will also look good. My beautiful yellow is waiting for me. Any light color you can use. Okay, you can use this peach color. You can use pink color. And if you have light fluorescent pink, yes, you can try that also. I'm going to use yellow. Okay. And for making it little more light, I can take touch of white also. Okay. So now take your earbud, white and yellow. I will be making flowers with light color and I picked up yellow for this. Come on, start doing. Start making all around. Okay. You can take little water. Take little water, little white. I will add little white also. Take little water in your earbud and I will mix yellow in white and I will start making my branches. Okay. This ways you will start making your lots of flowers on branches. Come on, make many. Okay, you can make many. Big also, if you will take little big impression, you will be able to take big. Just make lots of, and you can use any color. Actually, in red, a light color will look better. I picked up this, but it can be of any color. And I just want to all around. Okay, all branches full with flowers. Come on, keep doing. Okay, you can take a touch of white. Okay, touch of white also somewhere. And make this complete branch full with flowers. Okay. All around. Okay. Here where it is going inside, you can show. Okay, lots of earbud impression for making lots of flowers on this beautiful tree, and tree is shedding the flowers. Okay, you can show it's shedding the leaves, petals. Okay, yes. If you want to make it with pink color, if you have orange color, yes, you can try. Okay, I just love soft colors, so I always prefer them. But yes, you can make them colorful also. This is your Mother's Day card. Yes, you can try your experiments. And see, I'm just showing that the leaves are flying over. Kind of flying over. They just want to reach to mom. Kind of like this. And the most important part of the drawing. Okay, now you can make some dots. Yes. Okay, now what is the most important part of drawing? Finish this. Okay. All of you see what is important part. See here. You will move. You will take white color. You can take white color and just move on the upper side of branch. Okay, to show the reflection of moon. Okay, reflection of moon. Just show on upper side of branch. Okay, this is very important. When you will move this color this way, now, so the output will look as if the light of moon is reflecting. Okay, only on upper side, not everywhere, only on upper side of branch. Just move white color. Okay, this is white color, plastic crayon. Okay, if you can manage, so you can try with this also. But as you are very young, I will not suggest you to do this with watercolor. So just give a touch up with white color. Okay, and now the time for little craft. Okay, yes. You can make many more here. Okay. Light pink will also look good. And now, see how to make heart shape. Come on, you can take any color, white or any other. Come on, start doing this. Okay, I will show you one heart. So after you can learn, and afterwards when the class will get over, you can make many and do pasting in the bushes. Okay, so take a paper, any paper you can take. Okay, white also you can take. White, red, blue. I have this golden. And you know which golden is this? This is normally the paper which we get with sweets. And with sweets, we get this kind of paper. So you just take any paper and make a stripe. Fold it. Come on, fold it. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay, get the scissors. And with earbud, yes, one thing is left, and that is red flower in mom's hair. Okay, flower is left in mom's hair. Let's complete this flower also in mom's hair. You can make it yellow, you can make it red. I'm going to make it red. Okay, I will be making it red. With a black dot. Okay. Now, let's come back to work. Take a paper, fold any paper you can take. Okay. Fold it. And now, take 2 dots. Okay. What you will be doing? You will be taking 2 dots. One, see this is open part and this is fold part, right? On fold part, you will be taking 1 and 2 points. Come on, 2 points you can take. Okay. 1 and 2 points, not this open part. You will be taking it fold parts. Okay. I'm showing you how to show heart shape. Now this top part, you will write C for cat. C for cat. Come on, draw a C for cat. But this golden is not compulsory. You can take any colored paper because you're going to grow heart shape flowers in your bushes. And now this point of C, now this point of C, you connect to the second. Connect to the second point. Okay. And when you will cut, now when you will cut it, I will be showing you how it will look after cutting. Okay. When you will cut, and many of you must be having some stones and some this kind of things. Even those things can also be used. See, this way is when you will cut, you will find this kind of heart shape. Okay, this kind of heart shape. You can just display your heart shapes, and if you have this kind of flowers, anything decorative you have, you can put, okay? Anything. Like I have lots of heart-shaped stickers. You know, I have so many. I can even place it this way. I can cut and put, or I can display if I have this kind of stickers. Okay, yes. And this way, my heart-shaped garden will be ready. Okay, you can cut or you can paste it this way. If you don't have this kind of paper, Mananjay, don't worry. You can simply cut white. Okay, you can simply cut white and put. Okay, and if you feel that one heart I want to put here, you know, here, just near to mom and baby, I can put a heart here also. Okay, this way. I can put it like this. Or I can put a heart here also. Okay, so this ways, any ways you can make it looking decorative and beautiful. Okay, and don't forget this last touch up. Little white outlines on bushes also. And just make lots of heart shapes. You can make multicolored, you can make it light yellow, you can make it any color. Okay, so this ways, see, I have some wooden hearts also. Okay, see, I have some wooden hearts also. If you feel that I want to put this kind of heart, yes, you can try this kind of heart also. Any color you can try. Okay. So this is all about. Now, you please, all of you, call your moms. Because a very important information I want to share. And I want to wish your mom Happy Mother's Day. Please call your moms, all of you, quickly. Yes. Okay. And will I be able to see how it turn up before pasting? Huh? Okay, all are busy doing work. That's great. Lovely. It's looking so beautiful. Okay, now see, I called all of you. Thank you so much for being with us. And I called all of you to wish Happy Mother's Day. Fortunately, we have our class on this very special day of Mother's Day. So just to wish you all the wishes of Happy Mother's Day, I called you. And besides this, see, this is a very special offer we are offering on the very special day of our annual birthday. Because last year on 20th of April, we started our class. So these are very special offers. Our new batch will start from Wednesday. Okay. So this is number, please note down this number 76174109111. You just drop a WhatsApp if you are interested in enrollment. And these are the special offers on the very special occasion of our birthday. Okay. So if you go for group enrollment, you can take benefit of this. If you get 3 students enrolled together, okay, your fees will reduce to 900. If 5 group students together, it will be 800 only. And if 8 students group enrollment you will do, your fees will be almost half, that is 650. Okay, and Wednesday we will start with our new batch. Okay, hopefully you all must have enjoyed the class. Okay, and if yes, please show a thumbs up. The moms sitting together because of lack of time. If they enjoyed, and lots of wishes and blessings on Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. And students, if you enjoy class and story, show a thumbs up with a smile. Badi wali smile. Let me see. Okay, very good. Okay, so don't forget, you will be writing a promise, gift a promise today. Okay, see, this is number, I'm showing you number again. WhatsApp on this number. Okay, this is 7617410911. Okay, and these are special offers. Great offers. So if you go for group enrollment, you can take benefit of this. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye, students. Bye-bye. Take care. You will find the recording on our YouTube channel, okay? And send your artwork. Yes, students, send your artwork on my Instagram ID, artgeo_classes. Okay, hold your work. Tell your mom to take a click of your artwork and send it here, artgeo_classes. Okay, I will check your work. I will send my suggestions and appreciation. And lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students. Yes, my YouTube name is My Creative Mom, Leena Bande. Okay, this is my my YouTube name, channel's name, My Creative Mom, Leena Bande.